shave, shave. I always shave my legs in the bath. I always shave my legs in the bath. Announce, announce. They announced the death of their mother in the local paper. They announced the death of their mother in the local paper. Whistle, whistle. The referee whistled and the game was over. The referee whistled and the game was over. Scold, scold. His father scolded him for breaking the window. His father scolded him for breaking the window. Dig, dig. He was digging a pit in the garden. He was digging a pit in the garden. Draw, draw. Draw a line at the bottom of the page. Draw a line at the bottom of the page. Drop, drop. The child dropped the ice cream and cried. The child dropped the ice cream and cried. Fly, fly. As soon as it saw us, the bird flew. As soon as it saw us, the bird flew. Fall, fall. He fell down the stairs and injured his back. He fell down the stairs and injured his back. Feed, feed. Let's feed the kid first and have our dinner after that. Let's feed the kid first and have our dinner after that.